In order to integrate Sonos with your Lutron RA2 Select system, first ensure that your Sonos speakers are set up on the Sonos app. You can see here, on my system, I have a Play 1 in my kitchen and a Play bar and 2 Play 3s in my living room. Next, ensure that your RA2 Select system is on the same Wi-Fi network as your Sonos speakers. In my case, both systems are connected to my home router, and I can see here on my phone settings that the correct network is selected. When I go into my Lutron app and select Settings and Add Device, I can scroll down to and select Sonos, the home sound system. Without having to do anything else at all, I can see that my Sonos groups already appear here. My home sound setup is in my kitchen and my living room. Let's go back and click Done here to go back to the home page. When I go into living room, I can see that I've already added an audio Pico here. This allows me to play and pause the music in that room, as well as turning volume up and down and skipping track if it's an album or a playlist. On the physical Pico remote control, there's also a middle button which allows you to skip through your favorites. You can find instructions on how to do this on the Sonos app, in My Sonos, as you can see here. Back to the Lutron app. In addition to controlling your music on the Audio Pico either manually or on the buttons from the app, you can also select the scene buttons on your wall or the additional scenes on your app to trigger these to play or pause. Let's use my living room scene keypad as an example. As part of my entertain scene on my wall, as well as my lights going to the desired levels, I'd like to trigger all of my Sonos rooms at these volumes, and I'd like to select my Party Classics playlist for this scene in my favorites list, which I previously favorited on my Sonos. I'm going to save that. I'm also going to get the music to pause with my off button on the same keypad, as well as turning my lights off. Once I've saved this, I can now either press these buttons on the app or on my wall to set the scene. Here's my entertain button. And my off button to pause. Have fun!